Welcome to part 5 of Adobe Illustrator Zero to Hero Complete course, in which you will learn about arranging and grouping objects. If you have not seen our earlier videos, please take a look. This course is designed especially for those who are brand new to Adobe Illustrator. It covers everything in great detail. First of all, we will create some simple lines and color these lines differently. Make them thick by changing the stroke width, then move them so that they lie on top of each other somewhat like this. You will notice that the most recent line you made lies on top of the other lines and the oldest line you made lies at the bottom of the other lines. Every object you make automatically has a stacking order, as if they were on sheets of clear plastic. If they did not, Illustrator would not know how to treat the areas where lines overlap. Obviously, we need to be able to change this stacking order. With the top line selected, go to Object, Arrange, Send to Back. Now with the middle line selected, go to Object, Arrange, Bring to Front. See how it works. It is a little trickier when you go to Object, Arrange, Bring Forward or Send Backward, since there may be things stacked between the lines that are somewhere else on the page. Maybe it would be good to learn the keyboard shortcuts noted next to the menu item for arranging, if that happens to you. Another thing we will need as our drawing gets more complicated is a way to combine several objects so that they move and copy as if they were one object. With all three lines selected, go to Object, Group. Now Illustrator treats these three lines as a one single line. Select any of the line and all will be selected. Copy any of the line and they all will copy. Now move another line close to the group of three lines and select both by holding down Shift or dragging a box around them. Go again to Object, Group. Now all four lines act as one single object. With that object selected, go to Object, Ungroup. Click somewhere on the blank area of the page to deselect. Click back on the lines and you will notice that the last grouping was ungrouped, but your three lines are still grouped. With those selected, go to Object, Ungroup. Now all of your lines will be again separate. You will have to deselect and reselect one to see this. Groups can have as many subgroups as you care to make. There are several ways to edit individual objects within a group, and one way that may confuse you: if you double-click an object within a group, you will be in isolation mode, which is indicated by a bar at top of your working window. You can either double-click any blank area in your illustration or click the arrow at the top left to get back to the normal mode. That's all in our part 5 of Adobe Illustrator Zero to Hero Complete course, and I hope you all have enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you want to master in Adobe Illustrator. So I will see you in part 6.